All right, we're out with the freewing MiG-15. We're testing exhaust whistles. I 3D printed that one. And there's the mod for the exhaust again, for intake. If anybody's interested in them, 4 for $10. I also got a different kind that's on that over there, and we'll test afterwards. Just to see, I stuck it to the bottom just for another plane to have it on. All right, it's a bit windy out today. It's nice, 31 degrees out. But this plane is awesome. So exhaust whistle, they're white. This one I just painted red. I printed them in white and gold. The white's paintable. See, it matches right in there pretty good. So hopefully you can see it good. Don't work. Whoa, that was sketchy. Oh, I can hear it. It's working. It's a little 1300 battery I have in it this time. I can hear it. Sounds good. That battery's way too weak for this though. I'll get some height and come back by fast. I can hear it. That one sounds pretty good. So this exhaust whistle is wind. It's like the Nerf type. Drill a hole, stick it in. Sounds good. Yeah, just I don't know, figure it out, find me on Facebook or something. I could do 4 for 10, that sounds good to me, or $3 each. I will ship at your cost. It's a Nerf type. I think I already said that. They're cuttable. They're on a tube, so you cut the tube down for the depth of foam you have. Oh, vultures are back. He wants nothing to do with it. What's the car? Oh, that whistle sounds pretty good. Not overly loud. Definitely makes it sound more like a jet. Another vulture over that way. Nice slow pass, let that battery cool off a bit. Where's the wind going? Wind's right up my back. Uh-oh. Nurse it back. We're out of power. All right. That was an awesome landing. Yeah, we're out of power. See, it's right there. Shouldn't cause any drag or anything. Yeah, my hole was a little off center, but it works good. Sounds good. I have one on this one too. Show you this one. This is a new design. It's flat and long versus this one being see, look at that one. It's shaped rounded so it can fit on like a fuse. I'm going to enlarge it, make it bigger so it can sound better. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to fly that in a minute. And that was my exhaust whistle on the freewing 64 MiG. All right, ciao for now.